Most men are terrified of being forgotten. You scream for attention, you beg for validation, and you bleed your energy into a world that does not care about you. You are everywhere, yet you are nowhere. You are drowning in noise, terrified of the silence. But if you wish to be reborn, you must first have the courage to die to the world. Look at your life. Be honest. How much of your day is spent reacting? Reacting to a notification, a comment, a headline, an insult, a sudden urge for pleasure. You are a puppet, pulled by 1,000 strings. You think you are free, yet you are enslaved by your own lack of discipline. We tell ourselves we are building, grinding, hustling, but mostly we are just performing. We wear masks to please people we do not respect. We fear missing out, so we consume garbage. And in doing so, the soul becomes thin, weak, diluted. You feel it, don't you? That heavy, dull ache in your chest. The feeling that you are capable of greatness, but you are stuck in mud. You are running on a treadmill of mediocrity, exhausted but going nowhere. To break the cycle, you do not need more. You need less. You do not need to add. You need to subtract. You need to disappear. This is not a new struggle. The ancients knew that a man's strength is not found in the crowd, but in the fortress of his own mind. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor who held the weight of the world on his shoulders, did not seek peace in applause. He wrote, "Men seek retreats for themselves, houses in the country, seashores, and mountains. But this is altogether a mark of the most common sort of men, for it is in your power whenever you shall choose to retire into yourself. For nowhere, either with more quiet or more freedom from trouble, does a man retire than into his own soul." This is the essence of what you call monk mode. It is not about running away to a cave. It is about building the inner citadel. It is the deliberate choice to sever the strings that control you. Seneca warned us about the cost of giving our time to everyone else. He said, "While we are postponing, life speeds by. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. When you disappear for 6 months, you are reclaiming that wasted time. You are taking back the pieces of your soul that you gave away to distractions. You are telling the world, I am no longer yours. I am mine." So, what happens when you step into the darkness? When you cut the noise? At first, it will be painful. Your mind, addicted to cheap dopamine, will scream. You will feel lonely. You will feel irrelevant. Good, let it burn. That pain is the death of your weakness. Epictetus taught us that we must endure and renounce. He said, "No great thing is created suddenly, any more than a bunch of grapes or a fig. If you tell me that you desire a fig, I answer you that there must be time. Let it first blossom, then bear fruit, then ripen. In these 6 months, you are ripening. You wake up early, not because you have to, but because you are on a mission. You work in deep silence. You train your body until it becomes iron, not for vanity, but for discipline. You read words that challenge your intellect. You stop reacting. You start observing. The opinions of others, which once controlled, your mood become like leaves blowing in the wind. Irrelevant, meaningless. You are forging a new identity in the fire of solitude. You are killing the boy who needed validation, and you are birthing the man who requires only self-respect. When the 6 months are over, you re-enter the world, but you do not walk the same. You do not speak the same. People will ask where you have been. They will look at you and sense a shift. They won't be able to name it, but they will feel it. It is the weight of presence. It is the gravity of a man who has conquered himself. You will see the chaos of society, the shouting, the panic, the desperation, and you will feel nothing but a calm detachment. You are in the world, but not of it. You have become dangerous, not because you are violent, but because you are controlled. You are a mountain amidst the storm. You disappeared a fragmented shadow. You return a solid whole. Do not fear the darkness of the cocoon. Embrace the silence. Let them forget you for a while, because when you return, you will not need to announce your presence. Your character will speak so loudly, you won't need to say a word. Disappear. Do the work. Become who you are. If you seek to walk this path of discipline and reclaim your mind, subscribe to join our order. We walk this road alone, but we walk it together.